Bacon, beef, and beans. That's the base of my triple B chili. I had you at bacon though, didn't I? Bacon gets me every time too, and it adds so much wonderful smoky flavor. Granted, there are a good amount of ingredients in this recipe, so if you get everything prepped in advance, making it will be easy as can be. Start by cooking the chopped bacon in a large stock pot. Once it's crispy and browned, remove it and let it rest on a plate that's lined with paper towels. Reserve about 2 tablespoons of the bacon drippings, and then you can discard the rest. Now cook the ground beef in the same pot. There's no need to clean it out. Once the beef is no longer pink, remove it from the pan and set it aside in a bowl. Discard the drippings, but there's no need to clean the pot again. It goes back on the cooktop and the reserved bacon drippings are poured into the pot. Next, add the onion, peppers, celery, and garlic. Cook until they're softened, stirring them from time to time just so they don't brown and stick to the bottom of the pot. Then add in the cooked bacon, beef, and dry spices. Mix that around really well, and as the seasonings heat up, it is going to smell incredible. Next, the red wine, crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, chipotle and adobo, and balsamic vinegar go in, and it all gets stirred well. Finally, the beans. 3 varieties, in fact, get mixed in, and then it simmers uncovered for an hour and a half to up to 3 hours. The longer you let it simmer, the deeper and richer the flavor will be in the end. And when you're ready to eat, stir in the fresh cilantro. So this triple B chili is fantastic, just ladled into the bowl as it is. You can also load it up with all kinds of toppings and put some cornbread on the side. You can find the recipe for this triple B chili at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.